Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you love to do crafts like I do, then you've got to check out this XFasten double-sided tape. So I love doing paper crafts, especially making greeting cards. That's my favorite. And this tape has worked out so well for me. So first of all, it's small and compact. It easily fits into my hand and it's very comfortable to use. I also love how it keeps things really secure. I can add layers to my cards using this tape, and because the tape is nice and thin, you can really get close to the edges and keep your paper pieces really nice and secure without making a giant mess. So that's something I really love. And the package comes with 4, so I know I'm not gonna run out anytime soon. So if you're looking for some great double-sided tape for your crafting projects, definitely check this out. And that's my point of view.